Hello developers. Today we are going to build a Mahjong game in JavaScript. By the end of this video, you will have a working game engine that you can customize and use in your own projects. This style-based interesting game is built using HTML, CSS3 and JavaScript. You will build this interesting solution today. We'll be using a Candy kit to build this solution. Now what is a Candy kit? Candy one-click install kit gives you ready to deploy solution with a complete source code. You can find many more such ready-to-use Candy kits on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming, and many more on Candy. Today we'll be using a popular Candy kit which is Mahjong Game one-click install kit. Now this kit is open source and comes with a permissive license. That means you can freely edit, customize, and share your own solution. Let's get started then. Over to you, Rihanna, for a hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you are all excited to build your own Mahjong game. To build a fully functional Mahjong game, we need JavaScript, which is best known as the scripting language for web pages, and it can be used in non-browser environments as well. Then a browser which is completely of your choice. Everything that you need is available in the Candy Kit. Let's start by installing the Candy Kit. Check the description below for the link to the installable. This will set up your working sandbox application with all the needed prerequisites and resources. You can download the installer here and you can follow this set of instructions to set it up. You can pause the video now to complete the installation. Once ready, hit resume and we'll jump right into building our own Mahjong gaming application. Great, hope you're all set. If you have successfully set up, you'll see your game in the browser, but before playing the game, let's have a look at our main files. Basically, in this animation.css file, various animations like fire effect for a title card, disappearing effects, and time up counter effects are done. In script.js file, we have different functions that are required for building this Mahjong gaming application. We have a function to hide cell so that it will not be available when it is in between the cells while playing. Then cells active function is to check if the cell with a given ID is active or not. Then we have a couple of functions like is free left and is free right, which is basically to check if there is no active cell on the left and right side of the cells respectively. Then we have a can be removed function, which is to check if the cell can be removed according to the Mahjong gaming rules to score points as well. Then we have a update move counters function, which updates move counters user interface with the correct moves and wrong moves. Then we have a count move function, which will count the total number of valid and invalid moves made by the player. Then we have an endgame function which removes the stuff from page and tells user if they won or not along with the points they scored so far. Let's play this Mahjong game. For that we need to double click on this index.html file. Then the game will be displayed in the browser. Let's start with the basic level. We have to insert the coin. Once it is done, the game will begin. All you have to do is you need to group the couple of tiles that are identical and it should not be between the cells. For example, we can group this cell 2 and 2 and it will be considered as a valid move. If we try to group the cells that are in between, it will be taken as the invalid move. For example, we'll try to group this 3 and this one. Then it will be considered as the invalid move. So totally we have 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes. Once it is done, the game will end and will be displayed the number of points we have scored. So that's it. We are done with the game, and it shows us the valid moves and invalid moves and total time we have took. You now have a working Mahjong game. Let's see how you can customize this solution. For example, let's say you want to change the counter from 500 to 60 seconds. That is in Mahjong game, the total time to complete this game is 5 minutes, that is 300 seconds. And let's say you want to reduce it to just 1 minute. For that, we need to change this source code and save them. And for that, we need to change this any timer function. In that, we need to reduce this total timer 300 seconds to 60 seconds. And we need to save this source code. And we have to double click on this index.html. After inserting the coin, the game will begin, and we can see the counter is reduced from 500 seconds to just 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. That's it. Congratulations, you now have a working Mahjong game that you can customize for your application.
Hope you found this session useful. Using Candy Kits is a great way to build gaming engines. You can find the link to the Mahjong Game one-click install kit and many other ready-to-use kits in the description below. Head over to Candy to build incredible projects on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming, and many more. Try out Candy Kits now. Hit that subscribe button and join us at the OpenViewer community of developers to learn more and build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Till the next one, bye-bye.